you're running a small business. Or maybe you're a freelancer trying to level up your professional image. Either way, a reliable phone system is essential. Enter MightyCall. You've probably seen the ads, heard the promises of crystal clear calls, fancy features, and affordable pricing. But is it legit? Can this virtual phone system truly deliver on its claims? Let's dive deep. Think about it. You're investing your hard-earned money into a tool that's going to be the face of your business. You need something that's reliable, feature-rich, and won't leave you hanging when you need it most. So, is MightyCall that something? We're about to peel back the layers and find out. We'll explore the core features, pricing plans, user experience, and most importantly, real-world performance. We'll also compare it to some of its main competitors. But here's the thing. We're not just going to regurgitate information from the MightyCall website. We're going to cut through the marketing jargon and give you the straight talk. We'll share both the good and the bad, so you can make an informed decision. So, if you're tired of endless sales pitches and want to know if MightyCall is truly worth your investment, stick around. We're about to give you the lowdown. Let's get started. Unpacking the MightyCall promise. MightyCall promises a lot. It talks about virtual phone numbers, call forwarding, voicemail to email, call recording, and even integration with popular business tools. But does it deliver on these promises? And more importantly, does it deliver value for your money? Let's break down the key features one by one. Virtual phone numbers. This is a staple of any virtual phone system. MightyCall offers a variety of number options, including toll-free, local, and vanity numbers. But how does the number selection compare to other providers? And are there any hidden fees or limitations? Call quality. Crystal clear calls are a must for any business. But how does MightyCall's call quality stack up? We'll be testing calls under different network conditions to see how it performs. Call forwarding and routing. This feature is crucial for managing your calls efficiently. We'll explore how easy it is to set up call forwarding rules and whether MightyCall offers advanced call routing options. Voicemail to email. Never miss an important message again. We'll test how well MightyCall converts voicemails into email transcripts. Call recording. This feature can be a lifesaver for customer service or sales teams. We'll evaluate the ease of use, storage limits, and call playback quality. Integrations. MightyCall boasts integrations with popular business tools. We'll explore which integrations are available and how seamless they are. But features are just one part of the equation. Price is another critical factor. We'll dive into MightyCall's pricing plans, compare them to competitors, and help you determine if you're getting good value for your money. Real-world testing. Talking about features is one thing, but experiencing them firsthand is another. We'll put MightyCall through its paces with real-world tests. We'll make calls from different locations, test call quality in various network conditions, and explore the user interface in depth. We'll also share our experience with MightyCall's customer support. How responsive are they? How helpful are they in resolving issues? These are crucial factors to consider when choosing a phone system. MightyCall versus the competition. To give you a better perspective, we'll compare MightyCall to some of its main competitors. We'll look at factors like pricing, features, and user experience to help you decide which option is best for your business. After thorough testing and analysis, we'll give you our honest verdict on MightyCall. Is it a game changer for small businesses? Or is there a better option out there? We'll weigh the pros and cons and help you make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.